Parkwhizcom reviews pricing explain what you get for your money. Finding parking in busy cities can be stressful, but Parkwhizcom offers a convenient solution. Most people get this wrong by assuming all parking spots are priced the same or that booking in advance doesn't save money. The surprising truth is that prices vary by location, time, and demand. Parkwhiz lets you book parking by the hour or day in thousands of cities. Rates start around per hour in smaller areas, while prime downtown locations can reach for peak times. Rebooking usually guarantees availability and often saves 10-20% compared to drive-up rates. The app also highlights parking garages with amenities like EV charging or covered spaces. What you get: convenience, upfront pricing, and reserved spots that save time and reduce stress. What you give up: you might pay slightly more than street parking, but you gain security and guaranteed access. Some locations may have cancellation policies, so it's important to check. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Enter your destination and date to compare options. Step 2. Review rates and any additional fees. Step 3. Consider location, safety, and amenities. Step 4. Book in advance for peak hours to ensure availability and potential discounts. You won't believe what happens next if you skip booking. You could circle for 20 minutes searching for a spot, often pay more. The surprising truth is that a small upfront investment guarantees convenience and peace of mind in busy areas. In conclusion, Parkwhizcom offers real value for anyone navigating city parking. Understanding rates, comparing options, and booking ahead ensures your money gets the most benefit, saving both time and stress.